Hello happy people. It's Jacob Jimmy Jiggle with Good Shit Media. I know I just called you all happy people, but I'm sure quite a few of you aren't happy, and some of you are downright suicidal. If you are suicidal, I suggest you stop watching this video and call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-8255. If you're not suicidal, then please do keep watching. We're glad to have you back on this channel for some more space shit. The following images and video you will see are straight from NASA's Perseverance rover. The rover also was able to capture audio of a gust of wind which will also be heard in the background. This little real-life Wally went for a short test drive and made a turn-around maneuver before firing several laser beams at rocks a short distance away. All of this is being done to investigate if life really did exist on Mars billions of years ago. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you're interested in space shit from Good Shit Media. Now, enjoy the following media coming to you from over 100 million miles away.